so far away. Well, don't worry. Be merry.
Merry Christmas, Phoenix family. Happy holidays. We are going to make some cocktails here with Cooking with Colleen. I have got 2 cocktails prepared for you, both in the holiday spirit. You know, back in the day, clementines used to only be available around Christmas time, so I always think of clementines as a holiday fruit. So I have made a cocktail that now I can make all year round, but I think it's special for this time of year. So we're going to make a Grinch teeny and a Christmas cocktail. And I have these beautiful martini glasses, and we're going to make the cocktails. This one, you'll see a picture of it. It's got a Grinch face on it, both looking at you when you're looking at the cocktail and on the outside of the cocktail. So when we do this, you get to see that. And this one, on the base of it, says, Marley was dead to begin with. And this is for Ed. Ed, this is my gift to you. When I see you, you will be getting that cocktail glass. Anyway, let's get started. So each of these cocktails are going to have clementine juice. Each cocktail has the juice of 2 clementines. If your clementines are not very juicy, add more. But it's about 2 ounces. So I've juiced my clementines already in my handy dandy little juicer. And first we're going to make the Grinch teeny. The Grinch teeny, we're going to put probably about 2 ounces, which is about the juice of 2 clementines, 2 ounces of clementine juice, fresh clementine juice. And because this is a Grinch teeny, we're going to add about an ounce, maybe 3/4 of an ounce of whiskey sour, and we're going to do a splash of orange bitters because this is a Grinch teeny. Now what makes it a Grinch teeny is the curacao. It's that blue liqueur, and I don't even know if I'm pronouncing it correctly, but what we're going to do is we're going to do a 1/2 ounce of the blue curacao, which is a orange liqueur, and I'm going to do a 1/2 ounce of some triple sec. If you don't have triple sec, you can always use simple syrup. And then the most important ingredient of them all, well, I think the blue curacao is the most important, but we're going to do 2 ounces of vodka. All right, 2 ounces of vodka. We're going to shake this up. Make sure your shaker's nice and this is going to be our Grinch teeny, and you're going to see why in a second. Look at that. My green Grinch teeny. I'm going to bring it up to you. Hopefully I won't spill. Check this out. You are going to see, can you see the Grinch face? See the Grinch face? Isn't that adorable? Let's take a taste. Oh my God. All right, so that is perfect. I spilled a little on my chin. So now we're going to make a Christmas cocktail. A little play on A Christmas Carol with the quote, Marley was dead to begin with, for our friend Ed. Same beginning ingredient, which is the juice of 2 clementines, which is about 2 ounces. Perfect. I've got a little left, so just add that. We're going to also do the same thing. We're going to do 1/2 ounce of the blue curacao. We're going to do 1/2 ounce of triple sec. And then we're going to do 2 ounces. Hi, Carl. Oh, Carl wants a cocktail. Carl is making his stage debut at the Warner One Act Festival, which will stream on January 1st. Watch that. You'll get to see Carl on stage, his stage debut, and I haven't been able to live with him since. All right, so we've got 2 ounces of vodka. Let's get that one out of the way. so this is a Christmas cocktail. Same thing, minus the sour mix and the bitters, because this is a Christmas cocktail. But it is a lovely Christmas green. And what's going to make it a Christmas cocktail, it's going to have the Christmas colors. We're going to put a cherry at the bottom. And we're just going to slowly pour in just a little bit of cherry, maraschino cherry. And look at this. We have a Christmas cocktail. You can't really see the red and the lighting is not good. Oh, but it is very pretty. It's green and red for Christmas. So I'm going to drink both these cocktails. It's going to be one of those evenings. I miss you guys. Merry Christmas, happy holidays, and make this cocktail. Bye, Ed. Bye, Tim. Oh, Tim, you're going to get a martini glass too. You're going to get a Marley was dead to begin with and a Grinch martini glass because I love you guys. Merry Christmas, happy holidays. See you soon.